Izolo iqembu I-EFF belithe lizovala thaqa esifundazwe iWestern Cape, kodwa namhlanje akubanga njalo. Amaqembu ezombusazwe abeyingxenye lombhikisho athi sekusobala ukuthi inhloso kahulumeni waseWestern Cape ukuhlomula ngalomthetho abathi ucindezela abathile.
They are not going to stop because they have started now to make budget of the city of Cape Town through this money that they are taking from the tax industry.
It's a racist approach of excluding black people from participating because you find taxis where they get impounded just because a taxi driver just disagreed with a policeman who is treating them, and our people are not standing down, including our drivers. They're not standing down to racist attitude of police.
Isanko ibonakale esiyingxenye lemashi emva kokukhipha istatimende ebesithi iyahoxa.
SANCO as an organization has been part of this process from day one. In fact, we were invited by Santaco from the beginning when they were starting all of these actions. They know that there is an organization called SANCO who's always there with them whenever they are in this type of crisis.
Imboni yamatekisi eWestern Cape isaqhubeka nokuhaqwa izinkinga. Njengoba ngoNcwaba abamakhumbi bavala thaqa imigwaqo emikhulu kulesi sifundazwe. Kwaze kwaholela ekutheni kube nodlame nolwandlula nemphefumulo yabantu.